Follow-up. Yung pre-trial kasi remain closed sa media. So what information will you commit to disclosing afterwards so the public can follow the proceedings?
That's one of my list of concerns which I will articulate during our pre-trial conference. One is the possibility of sharing what is happening with the media. After all, this is part of the constitutional process of the impeachment trial, no? Second, yung nabanggit ko kaninang open rule, whether it will be adopted or otherwise. By open rule, it means na even matters which are outside the direct and the cross may be raised during the direct and redirect may be raised during cross and recross, no? And then the dialect, translation to as many dialects as possible, na pinaliwanag din ni Kong Zia at Jong. And then the possibility of formalizing that the parties can actually use Filipino during the trial. That is for the better understanding also of our countrymen. And one more thing that I did not mention kanina, we wish to invoke the policy of substance over technicalities, no? Because again, this is not a purely legal process. Ang importante dito, lumabas ang katotohanan, and therefore, evidence should be presented, all of them, no? And should not be challenged always on technical grounds. Substance over technicalities. So these are the concerns that we will be raising. Kasama doon, yung possibility of you, the media people, from being allowed in the pre-trial conference. But of course, this will be the judgment of the impeachment court, no? Pwede lang namin yon i-pronounce, i-articulate, but at the end of the day, whatever will be the decision of the impeachment court, coming prosecutors and even the media people, we will have to submit to their jurisdiction and authority.